Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Just to remind you, in the second sections, we're going to utilize AI to create ad copies for Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Alright, so in this video, we're going to do a quick walkthrough for Facebook and Instagram ads. And the objective here is to make you more familiar with Facebook ads and Instagram ads. So hopefully by the end of this video, you're going to have better understanding about these advertising platforms and also know how the ad copy should look like, right? Okay, so as you guys can see, right now I'm on facebook.com/business/ads. Make sure that you have created your Facebook account, alright? So just log in using your Facebook account and then just click start now, alright? Okay, so as you guys can see, now I am being redirected to my Facebook ads dashboard, right? Okay, so apparently it's still loading. Okay, here we go. To create a campaign, just click on this create button, right? So just click on it, create. As you guys can see, there are several different objectives. So the first one is awareness. So if you want to increase your brand awareness, then just choose this objective. If you want to generate more traffic coming into your websites, you want to get as many people as possible to visit your online store, then go with traffic. You also have engagement. So if you want the visitors to engage, to interact with your websites, then go with engagements. You can also choose leads. If you want to get as many leads as possible, you want people to come in and sign up on your websites, enter their email address, for example. You also have app promotions. So let's say you've just launched a mobile app and you want people to download your app, then go with app promotions. And also sales. So if you want to maximize conversions, you want to get as many sales as possible, then go with sales. For now, I'm just going to click on traffic, right? So the objective is to get as many traffic as possible coming into our websites, and then I'm going to click continue. Right, so as you guys can see, you can name your campaign. So I'm just going to leave it as the way as it is, new traffic campaigns. And you can also select the category. So if you are going to be advertising a product that is related to credit, or employment, housing, and social issues, you need to report that here, okay? And you can also change the buying type, the campaign objective here, and once you're all set, just click next. So you can change your ad set name if you want to, but I'm not going to, since this is just for a tutorial. So I'm just going to leave it the way as it is. And down here, you can also change the conversion locations. So for example, if you want to send your traffic to website, just click on websites. If you want to send the traffic to your app, then click app, or maybe messengers, WhatsApp. It's totally up to you guys. It really depends on where you're going to be selling your product. Okay, so for the performance goal, you have two options. You can maximize the number of landing page views or maximize the number of link clicks. So usually I go with the second options, maximize number of link clicks. So I want to get as many clicks as possible, right? Okay, so maximize link clicks. Actually, there are other goals like maximize daily unique reads and maximize number of impressions. But again, usually I just use the second options, guys. And you can also set your cost per result goal. So if you don't want Facebook ads to waste your budget, you might want to set like the limit. And also your budget here, you can set it to be like a daily budget, like how much money that you're willing to spend daily, or it can be lifetime budget, like how much money in total that you're willing to spend on this Facebook ad campaign, guys. So yeah, let's say we want to spend $25 daily, right? Or maybe you want to set a lifetime budget. So I'm willing to spend, let's say, $170 for like the whole campaign, right? So I don't care how long it will take, maybe like couple days or even couple weeks, but the amount of money that I'm willing to spend on this ad campaign is $170, all right? You can also change the start date and the end date. Okay, so when it comes to audience, you can customize your audience. So for example, you want to be targeting your audience onto countries like United States and Canada, for example. Just um, just type in the name of the country. So let me show you how to do it. Just type in United States like this, United States, and then just click on it. And maybe you also want to add Canada. Just type in Canada and then click on it. Okay, so now you're going to be targeting to people from United States and Canada. And on the right side of the screen, you can also see the estimated daily results. Like you're estimated to reach between 1,100 people to 3,300 people, and you're also estimated to get between 53 to 150 per clicks, right? You can also change the age. So for example, you want to be targeting relatively like the younger generations, maybe people from 21 years old to like 25 years old, or maybe 26 years old. So just set the age range however you want. So 21 to 26, right? 21 to 26. Here we go. And you can also change the gender if you want to. Maybe you only want to target male or you want to target female. You can also change this detailed targeting section. So let's say you want to target people who like to travel. So just type in travel, something like this, and then click on frequent traveler. So your ad is going to be displayed on people who like to travel, right? And down here, you can also reach people beyond your detailed targeting selections. So you're going to reach more audience potentially. You can also change the language. So since we're going to be advertising our product to English speaking countries, so we're just going to type in English. So we only want to target people who can speak English, right? Because the product description is going to be in English. And this is very crucial, guys, so make sure that you pay very close attention. Down here on the placement, just click on show more options, and then we're going to edit this placement, all right? So I'm going to click edit and then click on manual placement. As you guys can see, by default, our ad is going to be displayed on these 4 platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messengers. And most of the time, based on my personal experience, if you include Audience Network and Messengers, you're going to be wasting a lot of your money. So usually I uncheck these 2, right? So we're just going to be displaying our ads on Facebook and also Instagram. Okay, cool. So as you guys can see, we're done. So we're just going to scroll down a little bit and then click next. Okay, so this is like the last step. So you can change your ad name if you want to, right? And what you need to do here is to upload your image or your video, right? So I'm going to scroll down. As you guys can see, you have several different options. You can select single image or video if you want the ad to be just consistent of one image. You can also click on carousel. It means that you're going to be including like 2 images or more, or maybe collection. This is totally up to you. Usually I stick with the first options. All right, and then you can click add media, add image, and then you are going to upload your image, your product image, right? So yeah, that's how the ad on Facebook and Instagram will look like. So you're going to have like 1 image or 1 videos, or maybe it can be more than 1 image or videos, and you're also going to enter the URL to your websites, right? So every single time someone clicks on that link, and he or she is going to be redirected to your online store or your websites. Okay, and down here you also need to add the headline, very similar to what you have to do on Google Ads, right? Add the headline, add the descriptions, and also call to actions. So there are like many type of call to actions here, like get updates, shop now, subscribe, what's more. So yeah, it depends on what products that you're selling. So in the next video, guys, we're going to learn how to do two things. The first one is to generate the ad copies for the headline and descriptions, right? Very similar thing to what we've done in the previous sections. And the second thing here is to create and edit a very attractive image for our Facebook and Instagram ads, right? Because that's going to be the first thing that our potential customers will see, right? So if the image is very interesting, it's very attractive, then more likely they're going to click on your ads. And that's the exact opposite. If you don't have a very interesting or attractive image, then most likely you won't get a lot of clicks. So yeah, that's what we're going to do in the next couple of videos, guys. I'll see you guys there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.